You're so black I can't see you.
Huh?
You're black.
Yeah, what? It's kind of. And I'm not. Remember, I'm tall up in here. Count still 480 something faster from my life. And I ain't put enough money back into the cover. It's going down, down, down.
Damn, got 2 cars behind us.
Huh?
Waiting.
I should sit here because I got standing outside this car waiting, right? But if it wasn't for the guy behind me, I would do that. I would be a dick. Seriously. Because when you get out your car like, yo, what's up? I literally, you know, I can be an asshole. Just because I got actually money to put inside the bank, because they do sit there like crazy. Like, oh, what thing is on? Ain't got a lot of money, but, you know, a couple of grand in the bank is still better than no money. I spent a lot already because for popping stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't have that budgeted.
Huh?
You didn't have that budgeted.
Got a kid. He was in trouble and needed stuff for the kid. So, you know.
How do you not crush your fingers doing that?
I can see it. That shit was suicidal. Like,
you should have gone.
Huh?
When that, I mean, that's what the DPS says.
Did you put water inside your car?
Yeah.
Okay. How low was it?
Not that low. I didn't even put a half in. So.
A half a cup or a half a?
The gallon. I didn't put. I only put like a quarter of a gallon in.
Most of the time, I only have to when I had to do it. Most of the time, when I check it, it's like I'm putting in a cup. Like, oh no, okay, it's just a cup low. Yeah, and I'm talking about the plastic cup.
Yeah.
Did I ever send you the video of what's actually wrong with your car? Why it's doing the other reason why it's doing that?
Doing what?
Why how else is losing water?
I don't think so.
Okay, your motor's notorious for. It's not the head gasket. Because that's what I thought it was originally. And then I seen the video, I'm like, that makes more sense because if it was the head gasket, that should be leaking all the time.
We're turning right on Big Tree Road.
That should be the next major light.
Yeah. It's really starting to seem like SUVs are the new common traffic car. There's always so many of them.
Well,
you do not need a wing on that car.
Storage space. No one wants to buy a big car anymore. They're like, oh, if I gotta buy a big boat for a car, I might as well buy an SUV. Most cars are even small car boxes.
Alright, bye-bye. Did this misfire?
No, it went in and out of next gear. You can tell when she misfires. She lofts. I mean, when that does happen, I gotta pull out all the spark plugs. Place. And it's really only one cylinder that does it. I never remember which one it is. I really need to write it down. It's a cylinder that.
Why don't you just put like a paint marker on it or something?
Because I forget half the time. I'll be busy with other shit or helping your God, and my brain just says, "Do it fast, get it done, roll out." You got places to go, shit to do. The reason why I got.
I also have a spark plug in my car.
I think I'm.
So we will be going on to Clyde Morris when it appears. On left trailer park houses.
I wasn't gonna say it like that. I was gonna say manufactured homes, but
that's what they look like.
Yeah, they're manufactured homes, but technically, yeah, trailer won't fit. Trailer.
Oh, how nice! You got a slow for this. This bitch tight as fuck. Yeet.
Remember, sometime when we were doing the thing, the water looks milky.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna show you the video, and you be like, "That's what it is. It's your intake manifold leaking."
Yum.
The intake manifold actually has a water jacket inside of it. The cooler head and cooler control unit for the your throttle linkage thing or something. That's what it is. I was watching one of my people that I always watch and everything yesterday, and he was like, yeah, he called the head gasket. And he started taking off the heads. Not the head. He took off the intake. And he was like, oh, well, the intake runners are a complete mess. It's leaking from the intake.
Nice room temperature water.
I took cold. long as it's not hot, I'm good. I don't really like it, but we can hold.
Yummy, yummy.
Well, you said you gotta.
He gone. He gone. He said bye bye.
I appreciate that. He wasn't driving like.
And then the slow minivan gets in front of us. Great.
Well, I'm trying to just keep decent speed, but I can't get over.
Cut them off.
That didn't really make any sense.
People refuse to just drop in behind you. They act like it's a goddamn crime.
Mom asked me, it's like, am I still on your Sam's card? Should have.
I thought she had her own Sam's card. She had her own card, I think. Unless you you guys had two Sam's cards. I thought you guys only had.
That's when she was big time. I never said Sam's card.
Turning left in 1.2 miles.
Did I really have to slow down? I went to the good part. Yeah, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, probably.
Sure.
I'm gonna get an E30. I'm gonna get a shell. But I saw the engine and I was like, yeah, let me go get that. Wow.
Good. How's your daughter or son?
She's a year and a month.
Enjoy.
Yeah, for some time.
Try doing it 5 times.
Oh man.
I'm in the back over there, and so that is going to be a underneath the white thing, and so that you should see the big white cover thing. See the dash thing right there? That's the dash.
Oh, the cracked and broken thing?
Well, I cracked it just like that when I was the face part is fine. This is the bottom of it, and that got cracked when I was
So do you know what happened to the head? Oh.
Very minor, because they had a microscope. They could get a resurface, and I just didn't want to do it. Going use for it. Then I sold the car, so.
Yeah. Do you have the missing one for this, or I get to go through on the other side? There we go.
this is what you're looking at right here. What's something solid.
Yeah.
Simple. There's no really place to put it. You're gonna run into a problem if you want me to get through.
Huh? Oh shit, man.
You actually drop it all the way back down and make this shorter. That'll make it easier.
You got that?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm in before.
Yeah, I'm gonna get an E30 shell and put that in it.
A little bit more. Should be clear now.
I want to put it towards this side, right?
Yeah.
Then once I drop, I can rotate and drop it. Yep.
There.
Yep.
Grab that.
Wrapped.
that ignition coil is, but I'll give you the alternator.
All right, thank you.
You don't need chips?
What's your cash app?
Oh, I got the QR code. Yeah, that's me.
All right.
Got the injector.
Well, when I find it, I'll shoot you because I have 2 garages. I have this one and the other one's in Deltona, and I have motors in both. That one gotta be in Deltona, but I have your information, so
Yeah.
I'll shoot you a message.
All right, thank you. It should. It said it went through on mine. It's on your own?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
There.
Yep.
Oh my God. It's a pain in the. I'm gonna try it one more time. It's pissing me off.
That's why you don't be 6 foot.
No, my fingers are too damn big.
Yeah, because you're 6 foot. You kind of go hand in hand.
Come on. Oh, are we serious? There we go. Son of a. No, I think it's the plastic of the cover not letting me. Okay, I'm not going to do it. It's too big.
And wow.
There's a hole down here.
Mhm.
I just can't get it. I can't see it to get it partly in. This is not curved enough. All right, hold on. I'm just gonna do it. I know I'm not really supposed to.
Do you ever do things you're supposed to do?
Are you really asking me that? Do I do? No, I don't. No, I make shit work. Mom used to get, "Oh, that's ghetto." Does it work? Well, yeah. Then what the hell are you complaining?
The ghetto-ness, obviously. The blackness, even. On the back
You
of.
guys can go out.
Have a good day.
You as well. You can
Okay.
just go out down straight.
Just out straight that way? All right, thank you. My flip-flop just came up.
You lose your shoe.
Yeah, because I have to hop like 50 feet to get in. You said we can just.
And that way.
Yeah, if we just go to the right, it'll take us out.
Like I said, that was just enough. I need to